If you are also new in your Korean skincare journey, you wanted to try different products, but as a beginner you are not aware of most of the product and their ingredients, I review different Korean products on my channel so that you guys get an idea before buying any product. And this is one of those videos where I'm gonna talk about serums that are perfect for beginners. These are the beauty of Joseon serum. This particular brand is amazing for all the beginners who do not have much knowledge about Korean skincare, but because their ingredient list is amazing and they work perfectly for all skin types. If you are also a beginner, just pay a little attention to this video because I'm gonna explain all the 4 serums and which skin type need to buy which serum, along with the major ingredient that they contain and what are the benefits of these ingredients and these serums for your skin. So let's get started with the very first serum, which is the calming serum from Beauty of Joseon. Now this is a renewed version of this serum and it is enriched with 60% green tea leaf water and 30% mugwort extract. Along with that, this also contains 5% of panthenol. Now all these 3 ingredients are calming ingredients for your skin. So if you have very burnt skin or you have active acne, you have very sensitive skin and not a lot of product suits your skin, this serum is gonna be your best buy because it effectively soothe and repair damaged skin, and it forms a moisture layer on your skin to protect water loss and helps your skin with the environmental pollution. Now this has a beautiful greenish color to it, which is not artificial. This is the color because of the kind of ingredient that this product contains. So it is an absolute natural color, no artificial color added to this. Now price of all the 4 serum that I'm going to talk about today is $19, and this particular serum is suitable for people with sensitive and acne prone skin. Next I'm going to talk about one of my favorite serum from this entire range, that is the glow serum. If you are looking to brighten up your skin and you are on a hunt of finding a beautiful serum that can give your skin a beautiful boost of glow the moment you apply it, because not a lot of people have patience to wait for 15-20 days till the product work for you, this is the serum to go for because this gives a beautiful glow right after you apply it. Like your skin feels so hydrated, so moisturized, because it is enriched with 60% of propolis extract. Now propolis is something that bee collects to make their hive, so it's the brown thing that they have. It contains 60% of that and 2% of niacinamide. Now niacinamide is a multitasking ingredient. It helps with your acne, it helps with your pigmentation, it helps with your glow. So yeah, these are the dominating ingredient in this particular serum. Now this is an anti-inflammatory product, meaning it is amazing for people who have open pores and acne issues. It also helps in controlling the sebum production on your skin. It helps in refining your pores. It helps in minimizing or shrinking your pore size. And it is an absolute safe formula because it contains EWG green grade ingredients. The texture of this product is very rich honey like. So it is suitable for people who have dry, dehydrated, dull skin, but also suitable for people who have combination skin but they have acne issues. Next up on our list is the Deep Glow Serum. This product is enriched with 68.6% of rice bran water and 2% of alpha arbutin, which helps dealing with your pigmented skin, like if you have freckles on your face and you have uneven skin tone. Both of these ingredients help restoring a beautiful glow in your skin. It also helps repairing your skin damage, and because it has a grain complex, it really helps in moisturizing your skin on the deeper levels. And out of all the 4 serums, this one is the most hydrating one, and this particular serum is mineral free, sulfate free, paraben free, essential oil free. The other glow serum that we just talked about, it does contain essential oils, but if you are allergic to essential oils or if you are sensitive skin, instead of going for that, you can go for this particular serum. Now the only difference between these 2 serum, like the Glow Deep serum and the glow serum, is that glow serum is made with propolis extract, this one is made with rice bran extract. So if you are someone with dry and acne prone skin, you can go in with this product. This really helps with the dehydrated skin, and it is, I feel like, more of a winter kind of serum. The other glow serum is more of a summer kind of serum because this is more moisturizing and perfect for winters. That one is also very moisturizing, but that is suitable for summer, winter both. Now the last one on our list is the Revive Serum. Now this particular serum is suitable for all those of you who have matured skin and who wants to inculcate anti-aging serum in their skincare routine, as it is enriched with 63% of ginseng root water and 3% of snail mucin, which deeply nourishes your skin and also help giving you that anti-aging properties. This effectively repairs your damaged skin and help with your wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps improving your skin's elasticity, which again is the cause of wrinkles and matured skin. Now this particular serum is also alcohol free, paraben free. It also includes hanbang, which is a Korean herb which works as a medicine for anti-aging skin. Again, this product is suitable for matured skin, or if you are someone who want to add anti-aging properties in their skincare, ginseng is an amazing product, and this serum contains 63% of that. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.